Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve not available on your Roblox app. To know how to fix or how to solve not available on Roblox, you should just go to settings as you see and you can click. Here in this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window or to the app of Roblox. Here in this page of app info you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can go to Play Store. You can search about Roblox. If you'll find your update, you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.